I'm Nico.
And I'm Paige.
I'm Emily.
And we're going to be talking about dissociative identity disorder.
Dissociation happens anytime that consciousness is split off from experience and the stream of consciousness is disrupted. This happens to most of us in minor forms, like if you've ever seen yourself from above, or if you're daydreaming while you're driving and suddenly you pull into the parking lot and you're like, how did I get to Dairy Queen? That's dissociation. What am I doing on you? Oh my gosh!
These kinds of experiences are the basis of dissociative disorders. Dissociative disorders involve a sudden loss of memory or change of identity due to the dissociation or separation of an individual's conscious awareness from previous memories and thoughts. Dissociative fugue is a rare condition in which a person suddenly, without planning or warning, travels far from home or work and leaves behind a past life. Wasn't there someone here? There you are.
Dissociative amnesia is characterized by extreme memory loss that is caused by extensive psychological stress.
We'll be focusing on dissociative identity disorder, also known as DID, which is the most widely known dissociative disorder.
DID, formerly called multiple personalities disorder, is a disorder in which the individual has two or more distinct personalities or selves, each with its own memories, behaviors, and relationships.
Different personalities will show themselves at different times, known as fronting, but there's no definitive evidence as to why or when they will front. Often it is related to stress or some other trigger, but this varies depending on the person.
Some psychologists believe that a person can cope with intense trauma by dissociating from the experience and developing other alternate selves as protectors.
They usually reflect aspects from the host, but many times they try and hide so that people can't tell that a different personality is fronted.
Some people question whether dissociative personality disorder is even a disorder at all. There's evidence on both sides, including studies about the effect of sensationalized media representations of the disorder and studies about physiological differences during different fronts.